Click on Get Started and log in using your Gmail account. Under Agreements, select the tick box and click Continue. To the left, select Chat and then select Nano Banana. In the prompt, type create a 10-page kids book about the friendship between a pigeon and a crow with image and text, and then click Run. Nano Banana will start creating our content, and let's give it a couple of seconds. As you can see, we've got our first page and it looks amazing, very high quality images. And the second page also has come through. Let's wait for the rest of the pages to be generated. Okay, so we have all the pages and it looks amazing. So let's go ahead and download these pages. Now at this point, it's asking us if you want to save our chats. Click on Enable Google Drive to save your chat. So if you want to go back to your chats later, you can do so. Click on the download button in the picture to download all these images. Now that we have downloaded all of our images, let's go to canva.com. Search for Storybook. Select Create Blank Storybook. You can click Add Page button to add new pages to your template. Let's go to page 1. You can drag and drop the first image to page 1. Right-click on the image and click Set Image as Background. Do the same for page 2 and keep going until you complete all 10 pages. It looks amazing. Let's download our ebook. Before downloading, let's give our file a name. I'm going to call it Coo and Pip. Click Share and then make sure the file type is PDF, all pages are selected, and the color profile is RGB. Finally, click Download. Afterwards, you can upload it to a platform like Etsy and try to sell it. You can refer to other people's listings and get ideas on how to present them. But keep in mind that over the time, it is likely that this space will get saturated and the competition will be very high. That is it for this video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, make sure to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care.